Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best stand mixers in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best stand mixers in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Martha Stewart Tilt Head Stand Mixer is a powerful and stylish kitchen appliance designed to make baking and cooking easier than ever. Featuring a spacious 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is perfect for preparing cake batter, cookie dough, whipped cream, bread dough, and more for the whole family. With 12 adjustable speeds, it delivers precise mixing control for every recipe, from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping. Its tilt head design allows easy access to the bowl, while the included splash guard with pour chute helps keep your kitchen clean during mixing. The mixer also comes with essential attachments, including a whisk, dough hook, and flat beater, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Combining performance with elegant design, the Martha Stewart stand mixer complements modern kitchens while providing reliable everyday functionality. Whether you are an experienced baker or just starting your cooking journey, the electric kitchen mixer offers convenience, durability, and professional quality results in every use. Number 2. The VIVOHOME stand mixer is a powerful and stylish kitchen appliance designed to make baking and cooking easier for every home chef. Equipped with a strong 660W motor and 10 adjustable speed settings, this mixer delivers excellent performance for mixing, whipping, kneading, and blending a variety of ingredients. Its large 6-quart stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity for preparing cakes, bread dough, cookies, pastries, and more for the whole family. The tilt head design allows convenient access to the bowl and attachments, making ingredient adding and cleaning simple and hassle-free. This versatile mixer comes with multiple accessories, including a beater, dough hook, wire whip, and egg separator, helping users handle different cooking tasks efficiently. The anti-slip suction cups ensure stability during operation, reducing movement and noise while mixing at high speeds. Finished in an elegant red color, the mixer adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. Whether you are a beginner baker or an experienced cook, the VIVOHOME stand mixer combines durability, functionality, and style to enhance your cooking experience every day. Number 3. The Honinst stand mixer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to make baking and cooking easier for every home chef. Featuring a spacious 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is perfect for preparing large batches of dough, batter, cream, and more. Its 10-speed control system allows you to mix ingredients with precision, whether you are gently stirring or whipping at high speed. This 3-in-1 kitchen mixer comes equipped with essential accessories, including a dough hook, whisk, and beater, giving you everything needed for baking cakes, bread, cookies, pizza dough, and pastries. The convenient tilt head design makes it easy to install or remove the bowl and accessories, while providing quick access to ingredients during mixing. Built with both style and performance in mind, the Honinst stand mixer combines durability with modern design to complement any kitchen. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced baker, this reliable food mixer helps save time and delivers consistent, professional quality results for all your favorite recipes. Number 4. The Kraftsman all-metal stand mixer 5.3 quart is designed to bring professional-level performance into your home kitchen. Built with a durable all-metal body and powered by a heavy-duty DC motor, this versatile mixer delivers powerful mixing performance while maintaining lower noise levels for a more comfortable cooking experience. Its spacious 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for preparing dough, batter, whipped cream, cookies, cakes, and more for the whole family. Equipped with 4 premium stainless steel attachments, the mixer offers excellent versatility for baking enthusiasts and everyday cooks alike. Whether you are kneading thick bread dough or mixing delicate cake batter, the precision speed settings ensure smooth and consistent results every time. The sturdy construction provides long-lasting durability, while the modern design adds a stylish touch to any kitchen countertop. Ideal for home bakers, cooking lovers, and busy families, the Kraftsman stand mixer combines power, efficiency, and convenience in one reliable appliance, making meal preparation faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 5. The GEFT stand mixer is a powerful and stylish kitchen appliance designed to make baking and cooking easier for every home chef. Equipped with a strong 600W motor and a large 6-quart stainless steel bowl, this stand mixer handles everything from bread dough to cake batter with smooth and consistent performance. Its 6+P speed settings provide precise control for mixing, kneading, whipping, and blending a variety of ingredients. The tilt head design allows quick access to bowl and attachments, making ingredient additions simple and convenient. This mixer includes durable dishwasher-safe accessories, such as a dough hook and flat beater, helping reduce cleanup time after cooking. Whether you're preparing homemade pizza dough, fluffy whipped cream, cookies, or pastries, the GFT stand mixer delivers reliable and efficient results every time. With its modern design and multifunctional performance, this electric stand mixer is a perfect addition to any kitchen, combining convenience, durability, and professional-level mixing power for everyday cooking and baking needs.